In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to your Squarespace store and verify that checkout works smoothly. Start on your Squarespace dashboard. From the home menu, head into the commerce area. This is where all your selling tools live, including orders, products, and payment settings. If you manage multiple sites, double check you're in the correct one before proceeding so you connect Stripe to the right store. Next, open the payments section. Here you'll see the available payment processors. We're focusing on Stripe, which lets you accept major credit and debit cards securely. If you already have a sure store currency and location set in Squarespace, it's helpful to make sure those align with your Stripe account to avoid any payout or currency mismatches later. Choose Stripe as your payment processor. Click the option to connect, and Squarespace will redirect you to Stripe to complete the authorization. This handoff is normal and secure. It allows Stripe to confirm your account and link it to your store without sharing sensitive details. Sign into your Stripe account and authorize the connection. Use the account you plan to receive payouts into and follow the prompts. You may be asked to verify your identity or approve the connection for security. When you confirm, Stripe will send you back to Squarespace with the integration in place. Back in Squarespace, review the payment settings and confirm the setup. Look for the indicators that Stripe is connected and verify the store details shown match your expectations. It's also a good time to glance at your store currency and any processing preferences so orders route correctly through Stripe. If anything looks off, you can adjust your Squarespace settings before you go live. Save the connection to finalize it. This ensures your changes persist and your checkout is ready to use Stripe. If your site has contributors, keep in mind that only users with the right permissions can make changes here. So make sure you're signed in with an account that can save payment settings. Finally, test checkout to make sure Stripe payments work correctly. Open your live site in a fresh browser window and add an existing product to the cart. Proceed through checkout, enter valid payment details, and complete the order. You should land on an order confirmation page and receive a confirmation email from your store. In your Squarespace dashboard, check the orders panel to see that the transaction appears, and in Stripe, you should see a successful payment. If anything fails, revisit the payment section to confirm the connection, then try again. That's it. Your Squarespace store is now connected to Stripe and ready to accept payments.